Okay, so what is up mga kapepe and welcome back to another basic pero sobrang solid na workout routine. Okay, so unang exercise na ginawa natin, ito yung tinatawag na high pulse guys. This is a very solid exercise. It improves your upper back strength, your core strength, your explosiveness. Kadalasang ginagawa tong movement na to sa Olympic lifts, okay, sa Olympic weightlifting. Isa sa mga pinaka the best na accessory exercise para sa cleans, sa snatch, okay? So kung gusto mo ng napaka-solid na explosiveness, gusto mo ng power, ito yung exercise na dapat itry mo, okay? So same with other compound exercises, 5 sets of 5 reps guys. Sobrang basic, diba? Next exercise na ginawa natin is pull-ups, okay? Gumagamit na ako ng straps dito sa pull-ups para mas mag-focus ako dun sa back, mas mag-focus ako dun sa mismong movement, okay? Compare sa mag-focus ako sa grip. So with this one, I did warm up, 2 sets ng regular pull-ups, and then I added some weights, okay? I did add 15 kilo, and I did 5 sets of 5 reps. Okay, I think this is the best exercise for your back guys. Walang ibang exercise na kayang makapantay sa weighted pull-ups. Okay, pagdating sa mass, sa hypertrophy, sa overall strength, lahat-lahat. Okay, so weighted pull-ups man, 5 sets of 5 reps. Okay, kung hirap na hirap pa kayo sa pull-ups, ang pinaka the best na gawin is mag-pull-ups kayo araw-araw. Okay, hanggang makuha nyo yung yung form, hanggang makuha nyo yung muscle memory no ng pagpo-pull up. Kasi ang strength guys is purely adaptation, okay? The more we do things, the more we get adapted to things, the more it will become easier para sa atin. So pagdating sa pull-ups guys, iba-iba yung klaseng technique. Pero if hindi mo pa kaya mag-pull up, suggestion ko sa iyo is try mo mag-pull up everyday. Okay, use resistance band kung hindi mo pa kaya ng body weight. If kaya mo naman ng body weight, then pull up ka everyday, okay? Yun lang yun.
Yan. Okay. Mukhang may pek-pek naman dyan sa shoulder. Pek-pek yan. Kaya pala ka Pepe kasi mukhang pek-pek yan.
And last exercise na ginawa natin, syempre ito men, isa sa mga pinaka-solid na exercise, 'di ba? Power clean and press, okay? Kung gusto mo ng napaka-solid na core strength, gusto mo ng solid na upper body strength, again, also explosiveness, no? This is something that you should add dun sa program mo, okay? Very functional movement, man. Sobrang basic lang din, 'di ba? Start light, 5 sets of 5 reps, okay? Power clean and press, man, isa sa mga pinaka the best na movement. Mass builder, sobrang effective no ng movement na to, man. Time tested na yan. Isa yan sa mga neglected no sa fitness ngayon, yung mga ganitong klaseng exercise, ganitong klaseng movement, kasi most of the time ang focus lang talaga is isolation. So wala masyado yung general strength, wala masyado yung functional strength. Okay, so ibalik natin yung functional strength, ibalik natin yung mga halimaw, 'di ba? Para hindi naman tayo lahat pepe.